Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will help you play Heretic by Avenged Sevenfold on guitar. First, ensure your guitar is tuned to drop D, which means dropping your low E string down a whole step. Next, gather your gear, including a medium-heavy pick and a guitar with fresh strings for optimal tone. We will cover the main riffs, dynamic chorus sections, and tips for the challenging solo. Get ready to rock. The main riff of Heretic is driven by powerful, palm-muted power chords. Start by practicing the gallop rhythm, ensuring each note is clear and precise. Focus on maintaining a consistent attack with your picking hand while keeping your fretting hand relaxed. This section requires strong rhythmic accuracy and a tight feel. Aim for a clean, heavy sound throughout the verse. Moving into the pre-chorus, you will notice a shift in intensity, building tension for the main chorus. The chorus itself features more open, ringing chords, creating a powerful and anthemic feel. Pay close attention to the dynamic contrast between the palm-muted verses and the expansive chorus. Practice these transitions to make them sound seamless and impactful, giving the song its signature drive. The bridge offers a melodic break before the guitar solo. Focus on the phrasing and timing to capture its emotional depth. For the solo, break it down into smaller, manageable licks and practice them slowly, gradually increasing speed. Pay attention to the bends and vibrato for expression. Finally, the outro provides a powerful conclusion with sustained chords, bringing the song to a strong finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.